Hey y'all, this is Brent with Custom Installations. You'll have to forgive me. I'm in full vacation mode right now. I'm on day number 5 of about a 9-day vacation where I've got my whole family up north Minnesota, and we're doing the whole cabin lake vibe, and it's just great from the simple standpoint of just a little under a year ago, this was not the lifestyle that I could have. I was taking vacation, but I had to pay for a vacation before I went. I had to pay for it before when I would get home, in the form of burning fires. And I've never been so calm and relaxed and at ease being on vacation, because of all the systems that we've put in place that Redmond Growth Consulting has taught me. I know that my staff has got everything under control. They're problem solvers now. They have everything in place to know how to solve problems. They all know that they can call me if they need to. They know that if there's a burning fire or an issue back in the shop while I'm here on vacation, they know I would rather know about it than not call me. And I'm not getting any phone calls. So I just wanted to take a moment, a little bit, just to touch on those wins, and just a little self-reflection. It helps me saying it out loud too, to just really realize this is the moment that I'm living in. This is my life, and it's great.